we are going to look into the second question of exercise 7.2. The question reads like this. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that an triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So the question says that we have to prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. If we have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle, we have to prove that any two sides of that triangle are equal and in which AB is equal to AC. So the question very specifically asks us to prove that. We have to prove that side AB is equal to AC. So let's see how we can prove that. First of all, from the very question itself, we understand AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That means if I take this two lines separate here, this is B, D and C. So AD is the perpendicular bisector. Bisector means it equally divides. So since it is a bisector, it is equally dividing the line BC. Since AD is the bisector AD is dividing the line BC into equal two parts. Therefore, we can say BD is equal to CD. Why? The reason is since AD is the perpendicular bisector. So we have written that BD is equal to CD. Why is it so? Because the line bisector AD is dividing the line BC into equal two parts. Secondly, we understand that if we take these two, consider the two triangles in the figure. If you look at this figure, we can look at two triangles here. Triangle ADB, triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So if you look at these two triangles, we have already seen that BD is equal to CD and AD is the common side of both these two triangles. So therefore we can write AD is equal to AD. Why? They are common side. So we have now understood that these two sides are equal. Also we have proved these two sides are equal. Now, since these two sides are equal, also we know that the angle, since AD is the perpendicular bisector, it is perpendicular to which line? BC. Since AD is perpendicular to the line BC, we can say the angles ADB and ADC are 90 degree each. So since AD is the perpendicular bisector, angle ADB and angle ADC are 90 degree each. So we say that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. C. The reason is perpendicular angles. Since perpendicular angles, these two are now equal. Now look at the question. Look at here. We have proved that two sides of these two triangles and a pair of angles are equal. So we have proved that side BC BD is equal to DC or CD. AD is equal to D. So two sides of triangle ADB is equal to the corresponding two sides of the triangle ADC. Also we have proved angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. So a pair of angles is also equal. So the angle ADB is equal to its corresponding angle ADC. Here we observe that the congruence rule, side congruence rule is satisfied. Here side congruence rule is satisfied. If side congruence rule is satisfied, we can say that triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Now, these two triangles are proven to be congruent. We already know the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Since corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal, since these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal, corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are equal. That means BD is equal to CD, AD is equal to AD, AB is also equal to AC. So therefore AB is equal to AC. Why AB is equal to AC? Because these two triangles are congruent triangles. Since they are congruent triangles, their corresponding parts, corresponding sides, corresponding angles are equal to one another. So hence we have proved that it's an isosceles triangle. Why is it an isosceles triangle? Because two sides are now proven to be side AB is equal to AC. Since these two sides of this triangle are equal, it's an isosceles triangle. So we have proven that AB is equal to AC.